Good fittings. Light's a little tough, but bristles are nice, sturdy, firm. They'll stand up to some beating. However, squeegee is a little flimsy, but what do you expect? Oh, I love it. I need two hands. I felt real dumb when I figured this out. There we go. There's everything. Oh, nice. Don't forget that. And then your attachment there. There's the wheels. Little travel bag. And that is a shiny, shiny hose. Natural light in there. Doesn't matter. Good for the car. Keep all the attachments together. A couple bags. Nice DEWALT bags. Big DEWALT fan. Oh, it'll never be this shiny again. I better take a picture.